Afternoon students. Now we are going to learn about the topic major tools of evaluation in assessment for learning subject. Okay, meant for second year. We are going to learn about two major evaluation tools. The first one is questionnaire. By the name itself, it is something related with questions, right? What is the form? What is the questionnaire means? Literally speaking, you should understand it is a set of questions. That's all. Okay, arranged according to the complexity. Okay. What is a questionnaire? According to John W. Best, who is so very good in statistics, he defined a questionnaire as it is used when factual information is required. What do you mean by factual information which cannot be changed? For example, your name, your designation and your income, that and all facts which cannot be changed, which is not something related with the emotion. Okay, about an incident, it can be an incident happened, you are a victim there. So they are asking, the questionnaire can be regarding that incident, like that. Okay, that is called factual information which cannot be altered. Is desired when opinion rather than facts are desired and attitude scale is used. And the questionnaire is used to collect factual information. Attitude scale is used for getting opinion. If you want to give your own feelings, your own opinion, only attitude scale can be used. Okay. Kinds of questionnaire. What are the kinds of questionnaire? One is closed questionnaire. What do you mean by closed questionnaire? Means your answers are restricted. It is confined to a specific area only. For example, yes or no type of questions, or 5-point scale questions. That is like, dislike, undecided, like that. That is 3 point. Okay, some options are given. Oh, you are not supposed to answer beyond that one. Okay. Second one is open-end questions, open questionnaire, where the answers are left to the person who is giving the factual information. So they are free to write according to their own opinion, according to their own vocabulary, anything they can choose. The answer is totally in the hands of the person who is filling up the questionnaire. Next is pictorial form. People are saying some pictures are given. The child or adult can choose the picture or describe the picture. Some opinions, they can put a tick mark like that. Okay, even in the election, we are voting, no, only pictures are there, some symbols are there. According to that one, even uneducated can give the vote rightly. Okay, on seeing a diagram, some picture, some symbols meant for that particular political party. So that is pictorial form. Okay, so there are 3 types only. Some characteristics of questionnaire is there. What are the characteristics? The vocabulary used must be simple. It should not confuse the person who is giving the answer, whether whatever the type it may be. Next one is double negative question should not be asked. I hope you know what is a double negative question. And next one, embarrassing question, personal questions, personal things should be avoided unless it is needed for this survey. Where it is very much useful is for collecting data, factual data, survey. Survey na enadhu kanakkeduthu, edavadhu or kanakkedukkanum appadina this method, questionnaire method is used. When the person is uneducated, the person who is collecting the factual information can get the answer and write. Okay, and it should be in a neat form, orderly way. In the usually it is simple questions to complex one. Okay, unnecessary things should not be asked. You should know what is the purpose of conducting using this questionnaire as a tool of evaluation. Okay, unwanted information should not be collected, should be avoided, we can say. Next one is, what are the advantage of questionnaire is, it is very economical, supplies the standardized answers, specific answers, permit wide range of coverage. Okay, it will cover the topic fully. What is the purpose you are taking? Okay, next one, inventory. What is inventory is, it is a complete list of items such as property. It is a list of items. For example, inventory can be all the possible interest, means it will list down all the possible interest. Whatever the interest the person is having, can put a tick mark. Okay, that is inventory. It has two types. One is interest inventory, second one is personality inventory. Interest inventory measures the interest by the name itself. Personality inventory is measuring the personality. That is a conversion of data to a conclusion. Okay, at the end of this interest inventory as well as personality inventory, we are having certain things which can be leads to a conclusion about the person. It is self-reporting technique, we can say. Okay, it is filled up only by the individual. I hope you understood these two major tools of evaluation. Thank you.